In this video, I'll show you how to fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in grounded. Now the way that you can fix this is you want to come down here and search for Advanced System Settings, open up this one, and from in here you want to make sure that you go to Advanced. Now from in here you should see the Performance one and you want to press Settings on this one. Now once you come into the Performance options, you want to head over to the Advanced tabs, press on Change right here on the virtual memory. From in here you want to make sure you uncheck this one, press on Custom Size, and from in here you should have two boxes that we need to fill out. Now the number that you want to type in here is the number from down here, currently allocated, and you probably have a different number than I do. But simply type the number in here and in here as well, and then press Set and OK. After that, you should restart your PC and now it should work. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. There's not really much more to it, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.